Iconito in Santa Maria, California, mid-April 2019. There's quite a lot of solar. I'm in my custom Sprinter camper van. Of course, sorry about the wind. Let's come inside where there's no wind. Have a Tesla battery module from a Model S powering the RV side, and we're charged up 24.4 volts thanks to the abundant solar today at only 1:10 p.m. It looks kind of hot, but actually it's very mild due to the low humidity. You see 40 to 45%. So what we're going to do today is cook with solar power. So I have an induction stove. This van's only 20 feet long, so that's why for some it might look a little small. I've been living in it for 3.5 years, cooking for free energy from the sun. Alright, what we're going to do now, I chopped up some baby Bellas from Costco and got these heirloom fresh free range humane treated. I always look for that. Certified eggs from, where did I get those from? Grocery Bargain Outlet. It's growing in popularity. It's pretty exotic eggs. These are kind of a light blue color. I'm gonna mix 2 of them with all this. Try to do it one-handedly, holding the phone in one hand. I washed my hands already. A little bit messier than if I were using both hands. I'm trying to do this so you can see better. I could just put the camera on a stand or something. Solar powered everything in here. We're gonna put in a little bit of cayenne pepper powder. Oops, probably a little bit too much. And some garlic salty seasoning with Himalayan pink salt. I already added olive oil underneath all of this. See how much power we're using now. Voltage went down 24.22. We're at minus 20, about 25 amps average. But that means actually, since there's about 15 amps of solar coming in, the consumption is more like around 35 to 40 amps of DC power. So we're cooking for free with the sun. Unfortunately, I cannot share any of this with my dog. He's diabetic, 15 years old, can only eat 2 times during the day, morning and evening, with his insulin shots. Plus, dogs cannot eat mushrooms. I also bought this pan at Grocery Bargain Outlet store for about $13, I think. It's supposed to have a whole bunch of little micro diamonds coated on top. So this is not a truly vegetarian serving here with the eggs in it. I think eggs are pretty nutritious. I try to avoid meat, except sometimes I'll eat some oysters or something like that. Refrigerator, 100% powered by solar, even at night, because the energy stored in here at night in the Tesla battery is from solar. I got the windows covered up because it's kind of warm out right now, pretty sunny. It would get pretty toasty in here, but my skylight I leave open because the solar panels prevent heat from coming in. 100% prevention of heat coming in. See the pan kind of moving around because I'm doing this with one hand. It's pretty much already done. Let me lower the heat a little bit to try to get the mushrooms softened up a little bit. Get the mushrooms heated up and softened up. Some of these thicker pieces might still be a little cool. I don't believe in cooking a whole lot because it may kill some of the beneficial vitamins. I can feel some of the cayenne pepper in the air when I'm trying to breathe. It's almost making me want to cough. But I think the cayenne pepper provides a good detoxing mechanism. That's mainly why I put it in there. Okay. I want to turn the stove off. Fan's still running because it needs to cool down. That's why I'm not going to unplug it yet. And that's about all there is to it. Let's see if do a demo eating. It's going to be a little hot, but I can tolerate it. It's hard to get it on that little tiny spatula. Very enjoyable. The mushrooms, portobello mushrooms, serve as a meat substitute in that the texture and everything is very similar. Very delicious. I'm gonna put the hydraulic desk down, sit down and enjoy while I watch a nature movie.